Honorable Governor Madam, with your permission, the order of appointment of the ministers may be read. I read the order of appointment and I quote order number G/7/2019/385 dated 13 July 2019, and it reads as under: in exercise of powers vested in me under Article 164(1) of the Constitution of India, I, Mridula Sinha, Governor of Goa, hereby appoint the following ministers on the advice of the Chief Minister.
To swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Goa, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Chandrakant Babu Kavalekar, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Goa, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
I,
Michael Lobo, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Goa, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Michael Lobo, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Goa, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
I, Jennifer Monstrat, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Goa, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, Jennifer Monstrat, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Minister for State of Goa, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Minister.
I, Philip Neri Rodriguez, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and consciously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Goa, and that I will do right to all manners of the people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear, favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Philip Neri Rodriguez, do here in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or any persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Goa, except as may be required for due discharge of my duties as such minister.